Hi everyone! Right now, we're here at Manila Auto Salon 2024. I have the privilege to be here inside this Michelin booth. We're going to showcase these supercars display here. We'll start with the Lamborghini SV. Okay, take a look inside. And next, this is the Ferrari F12 TDF version. This is the one of two unit in the Philippines. Saan yung susi dito? Okay. Next, this unit. This is the Ferrari 812 Duke Dynamic Kit Edition. Please, susi. Carbon lock. Okay. Baho, sige. Okay, we'll close. Next, this is the Lamborghini Roadster Edition. Open na. Look. Okay. Last, this is the SLS AMG Edition. This is only one white in the whole Philippines. Open na? Okay. Look. We offer stars from high performance stars like this one, the Michelin Pilot Sports Cup 2. We have the Energy for the daily use tires for the road, and we have the Michelin PS4S. This is the 325 25 by 21. We carry 90% sizes tires, Michelin tires here in the Philippines, from supercar to luxury to SUV, to pick up. Feel free to message me, and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel at PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Don't forget Michelin tires. Bye!